Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when published new video. Moringa leaves juice recipe to lose 5 kilograms in a week without diet and workouts. Get slim and fit. Weight loss in natural way is the best way to do. Here, we are clarifying about a weight loss juice that can be made easily and that helps in get in shape quick. This weight loss juice is stomach reducer as well. It is a chant for flat belly. This juice is principally made with Moringa oleifera, which is called drumstick leaves. Majority of us realizes that it is miracle item from the nature. When combined with lemon and honey, it increases its impact. We shall dive into how the use is made along with the complete elements of Moringa oleifera, such as its benefits, and also side effects, if any. Ingredients: 1. Moringa oleifera leaves, 1 cup. 2. Warm water 1 glass. 3. Honey, 1 tablespoon. 4. Lemon juice of half a slice lemon. Method to make moringa leaves juice. Blend the first and second ingredients together in a blender until the point that the leaves are grinded very well. Drain it into a glass and add the lemon juice and honey. Consume it on empty stomach. Moringa oleifera leaves is a factory of vitamins and minerals. The medical advantages are not just bind on the weight loss. This helps in killing all belly fat, giving you a flat belly. The benefits of consuming Moringa oleifera leaves are huge. This drumstick tree is being produced in India, the most. This tree loves to grow in hot and humid places where it will get sunlight in abundance and thus do not love to be at cold or freezing places. This Moringa oleifera is seen in lavishness in the Central and North America. Due to its high nutritious and medicinal value, the United States has started off with its cultivation in the Hawaii. How Moringa helps in weight loss. Like Moringa oleifera loves hot places, the main property of its leaves is warmth. The above said juice, when consumed in empty stomach, it helps in melting away the fat accumulated in the stomach easily and helps in flushing out all toxins in the body. As it also has the property of exterminating constipation, it will expel all the fat and poisons from the body effortlessly. Additionally, it also helps in increasing the metabolic action of the body, which aids in the weight loss very easily. Are you visiting our channel for the first time? Then click subscribe and click the bell icon to watch more videos.